Hello, and we're glad you're here at Coding Bootcamp's Introduction to the Python Programming Language. Here's what you just learned about Python 3. Using Python from the command line and a little bit about GUI constructs. We talked about language fundamentals and data and execution models and flow control constructs. We talked about conditionals, list expressions, and a bunch of expressions. We talked about exception handling and using the string object. Also talked about organizing code into functions and into classes for object-oriented. We talked about Python's list, which are called arrays in other languages. We talked about collections and dictionaries. And we worked with functional arguments. At the end, we did 4 projects. Talked about the Python line by line, went through, looked and see what the output looked like. So congratulations. You have successfully finished this class. And probably what you should do next is learn object-oriented Python. And Coding Bootcamps has a class called Learn Python by Examples. So be sure to check that out. Sign up for that at codingbootcamps.com. And check out the social media links for Coding Bootcamps. All right, see you in the next class.